Who likes good news? Everyone? Then good news, everyone!
Hi guys! Quick question. Have you already broke your turn indicator? It's quite rigid. Yeah, I did. Both rear. So I bought new flexible indicators on Aliexpress. Cheap ones. They are very bright, you can believe me. As you can see, there is nut number 10. A washer, and here you can see wires and thread. You can take it out easy, and this sealing, rubber sealing, we can take out, because as you can see, this new indicator has wires inside the thread, so we don't need that second hole, and it can cause water intrusion and so on, so we have to replace this rubber with something without second hole. And what did I use? I printed 2 parts. It seems like plastic spacers. "3D printed." You can use the TPU, so it will be flexible, but I'm not experienced with TPU, so I used PT. You can use washer from factory indicator. You need to use the new one, but it will fit. So one from inside, outside, I'm sorry. It fits very well, you can see. You can find these spacers in description. Now I'm trying to align it a little bit. I put it there wrong way, so it headed backwards. So now I'm doing it right. It fits very well, you can see. I will use some small portion of silicone to really well sealing, and you can see how flexible it is. That's all? Yeah, that's broke. Never mind. No problem with it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.